got like the cool packets in here from this place.
กินไก่ออกอะไรอันนี้คนกินเลย
What's that?
กระทะนี้ไม่จำเป็นใส่ได้หมดจริงกระทะนี่มันร้อน
Let's try this cake. This cake has been unfortunately squished, but it's still fine. Let's get some kiwi. How about that? With the cake. Not too sweet. This is a pretty plain fruit cake. Wow, Rasha made this. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Time to take pictures. So as you can see, I already ate like part of this pasta already. But as you can see, there is pasta shells, tomato. He also added ketchup, eggs here. Oh wait, that's chicken. Chicken, eggs, onion, a little bit of thin soy sauce, green onion, a little bit of black pepper, and cilantro. Bon appetit.
But this feel is already almost dry.
Is it? I just watched it this morning.
Yeah.
Separate the pants. Beautiful.
So that is not wrinkle.
Struggling. You want me to do it? Can you hang it? Oh, you're struggling. So yesterday I mentioned that we were planning on going to Chak today, but change of plans. We're going to do something else. Saras's sister Pia made us some homemade matcha drink. It has, from Japan. Nice. Really nice. And she put 140 ml of lactose-free milk and a spoon of matcha and a little bit of maple syrup. You don't want to go in there? People love buying lottery tickets here. Are we getting KFC?
Let's see. I just want to see what they have around here, but I guess not that much. I was looking outside.
They're so busy. Those are blue light glasses.
No.
No?
prescription.
Oh, prescription glasses. Swenson's? What's that? Ice cream?
Ice cream, yeah.
Oh. $180 baht for durian. I want to try KFC.
Fruit. And not yet.
Not now? Not here? Okay.
I just want something quick. No.
Oh, okay.
But there seems to not be any.
How many floors are here? 2 floors? Okay.
I have 3 floors.
Oh, really? 3 floors? Oh, it is 3 floors. What mall is it?
They do have basement too, but I think that's for parking.
Oh, what mall is this?
Big C.
Call it Skippy Land. Oh, home goods,
Okay, no, okay.
home stuff.
Yeah.
Mr.DIY. Always low prices. Oh, this is basically a dollar store?
For home goods.
Oh. This place is basically a dollar store for home goods.
And cheap home stuff.
Yeah, it did say that they have low prices. Oh wait, I thought it was real tiled, but they're not.
No, it's paper.
That's so
Aluminum
funny.
foil sticker.
What?
Aluminum foil.
Yeah, literally flat. Man, that was a good illusion. This is really cute. Shall we get one of these, hon? It's a hand towel. Oh, but do you think it'll dry all the way? Oh, we have something similar. Let's get one of these. Let's get. What color would be better? Maybe this color would be better. Yeah. Okay, so
Okay, what do you think?
I'm too plain.
Two, okay.
These two. I guess. I like this place. It has a lot of options and variety for cheap prices. This cute. It's a tote bag. Cute, cute. Aw. It's really cute. Wow, they got stationery here too. Wow, even the backpacks are nice here. They got wall sticker. Wow, it popped. There's a peacock. Birdie. This is wallpaper. Oh, this actually look nice. Storage boxes look nice here. They got some dupes for Crocs. Many options for floor mats. These are the prices. Cloud. Okay, well that's pretty obvious. Is it an anti-slip?
Yeah.
Oh, it's anti-slip? Yeah, this is better. Yeah. It's a cool tone color. Oh, that's so cute. Longan juice. Logan juice.
Áo เอาเป็นวุ้นไหมอะครับถ้าใส่น้ำตาลด้วยจะกินได้เหรอหลอกกล้วยมันหวานอยู่แล้วหลอกกล้วยมันหวานแต่ว่าหวานไม่มากเจ็บคออ่ะอันนี้เอาเป็นวุ้นไหมถ้าขอจะขึ้นวุ้น2 ขวดนะอันนี้อีกอันหลอกกล้วยเป็นวุ้น
เส้นเลือดขอดสรรพคุณของกระเจี๊ยบ1 เป็นยาลดไขมันในเส้นเลือดช่วยลดน้ำหนัก
Low sugar. Yeah.
2.5
2.5.
yeah
We are heading to HomePro, and it's similar to Home Depot but different at the same time because there's other restaurants and other businesses in here. Oh, this place is pretty. Wow, look at the escalator there. I think it's mainly for carts, but people use it anyway. We're here to look at some wall paint and wallpaper. Nice, nice. Too bad it's a little bulky for me to take back to the US. I like this look. This one looks nice. This one looks nice too. Clean look. Wow, American style. We're in the wallpaper section. This booklet is huge. Wow, this, you can feel it, the texture. This is a nice book. Wow.
ซื้อมันก็ต้องใช้อันนี้ใช่ไหมที่วางแล้วก็ซื้ออันนี้อันนึง
This look nice, this one.
centimeter
เนี่ยมันมีแต่ไซส์เล็กทั้งหมดเลยนะ
2 centimeter ใช่
มีไซส์เล็กทั้งหมดเลย
It's short.
ต้องรีดด้านล้อยาวแค่นี้เองไหม
How long is it?
150 centimeter
For this?
ยาวแค่นี้เองมันก็ต้องใช้2ฝืนนะ
Got a lot of pamphlets.
yeah
All these pamphlets have colors.
yeah
We have KFC in the US, but apparently the KFC in Thailand is pretty good.
bucket
Oh, nice. La carte. They got sweets here. Asian, so Asian sides and drinks. Wow, the menu is so different. They got Pepsi. What is this? Fanta, 7-Up, Fanta, Pepsi, some kind of lemonade. Wow, you can wash your hands over here. Out in the open like this. That's good. And some, what's this? Mashed potatoes or gravy and fries. What's the sauce? Barbecue sauce. They got chili sauce and ketchup. They got egg tart. I'm surprised. The meat is juicy. say about Thailand's KFC? It's finger licking good. We are back home. I will start doing my little mini haul of today. All of this is bought from the store at Mr.DIY. First up, we bought a pretty bath mat, and it has an anti-slip in the back, so that's pretty nice. We bought a, what is this called? A toilet cleaner with the container to put it in, put the brush in. Yeah, and it's a nice color as well, a pastel blue. We bought a shower curtain. It is a seashell design, or starfish and seashell design. And I think that's it for the mini haul. That's it for tonight. I'll see you next time.